Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The top or bottom of the candle body will indicate the open price, depending on whether the asset moves higher or lower during the 5-minute period. If the price trends up, the candlestick is often either green or white and the open price is at the bottom.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If Monday may be the best day of the week to buy stocks, Friday may be the best day to sell stock, before prices dip on Monday. If you're interested in short selling, then Friday may be the best day to take a short position if stocks are priced higher on Friday, and Monday would be the best day to cover your short. 29 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.